Okay, Gene, this car is fully warmed up. I bled, filled the distributor many times. This bunch of fuel came out. I'll just make you a picture. Down under, see the puddle. This is terrible, but I had no choice. So now, here's what happens. I'm gonna shut down cylinders one by one. You can see what's going on. It was running fine before. Cylinder number 1. As you can see, the car runs rough. Bad. Now, 1. Cylinder number 2. Same thing. Car reacts. Very bad. Number 3, same thing. So you know these ones are going good. 4, number 4 is reacting good. Number 5, reacting good. Actually a little worse than the others, but still reacts. Number 6, nothing. I got crazy spark. You can actually hear the spark violently sparking. So the spark is there, but there is no ignition. Like, unplug it, plug it, back in, nothing. Number 7, same thing. I can hear the spark all the way from here. Spark is good. I mean, actually it's on fuel. I don't want to show the spark, but the spark is very violent. It's nice spark. So 6, 7, and number 8, no reaction. So 6, 7, and 8, these 3 cylinders are dead. They're not working. I mean, I bled it like many times. It's just spent a lot of time, and acceleration wise, if I try to accelerate, it accelerates, but that's it. Just dies out. So 6, 7, and 8 are not working. They're just not metering correctly. It looks like it's just not, you know, they're not getting fuel correct. I don't know what's going on. It's just like it doesn't just that you see what's going on. It just doesn't run. So I'll talk to you in a little bit.